hero, anti-hero, mastermind, they often blur, you know.
तो सर यही तो पूछ रहा हूँ कि मतलब अब आप बता दीजिए, मैं कह रहा हूँ 25 तारीख का क्या वेट करना सर, बता दीजिए सर प्लीज. If you could share more about your character, what else is happening?
What is the lovely thing about a script like this? I mean, what I like about a heist movie is the guy does something technically wrong. I mean, he breaks the law, but he does it for a good reason, usually to help someone in his family, and that kind of, it's an honorable kind of theft. So it makes it a very exciting kind of character. He's got skills that are of the criminal type. And I think people enjoy watching people breaking the law in a movie like this. It gives them a chance to kind of take on the system. And I think that's what heist films are about. And it's got a tremendous kind of strong anti-hero, antagonist in Jaideep. So it was a lovely part for me.
Fantastic. You know, आप भी बताएं अपने किरदार के बारे में
तो
प्लीज.
देखो रेड से नहीं कर रहा इतना कैरेक्टर में आज तक. बट आप क्यों जानना चाहते हैं? आपको फिल्म नहीं देखनी है?
सर मेरे पास सब्सक्रिप्शन जो है ना, वो पासवर्ड चेंज कर दिया मेरे दोस्त ने.
नहीं देखिए, ये जैसे सर ने कहा कि हाइस्ट फिल्म्स में हमेशा बहुत सारे ट्विस्ट टर्न्स होते हैं और किसी को नहीं पता है कौन क्या गेम खेल रहा है. एज सर सेड कि नोबडी नोज, हमेशा ब्लफ होगा, कुछ न कुछ ऊपर नीचे होगा. किरदार बदलेंगे, उनकी हरकतें बदलेंगी तो कुछ नया ट्विस्ट आएगा. तो आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत सारे नए ट्विस्ट देखने को मिलेंगे. अब ये नहीं बताऊंगा कि मैं चोरी करवा रहा हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, वो आपको फिल्म देखने वाली है.
चलिए सिद्धार्थ सर, मैं आपसे जानना चाह रहा था कि कितने की चोरी लगती है सर कि इतनी शानदार कास्ट इकट्ठी करनी पड़े, मतलब पिक्चर में, मतलब इन रियल लाइफ कितने की चोरी करनी पड़ती है कि इतने शानदार स्टार्स आते हैं?
मुझे नेटफ्लिक्स में जाके बहुत बड़ी चोरी करनी पड़ी थी इसके लिए और मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ क्या है, बट बहुत मेहनत लगी, बहुत स्किल लगा इसके लिए.
So I wanted to know because it's your
Netflix's film, the fact that it will debut in 190 countries with 300 million subscribers watching this film on day one. You know, my endeavor was to make an immersive film experience that you can watch in the comfort of your couch at home. So that's what Jewel Thief will offer you, and Netflix is the best platform for that.
You know, let's have a big round of applause for that. Talking about the platform, of course, Netflix.
You know, we actually always do a genre that's best in class, and the best in class really comes from the team behind it. I don't think I mentioned this earlier, but both Robbie and Cookie have so masterfully crafted this absolute masaledar, fun, heist action film. It's in fact harder to do a familiar genre and yet throw in surprises and mount it in a certain way, give every actor that time in the sun round of characters. So I think just the experience of working with such incredible creators who've brought honesty, depth and a whole lot of conviction to the film has really been the reason that, you know, we went ahead and did Jewel Thief. Of course it helps that some really decent actors like Saif Ali Khan, Jaideep Ahlawat, Nikita Datta and Kunal Kapoor are a part of it. I think it's the whole package.
Pick up this project.
Well, you know, I was looking to do a film like this. Like, I've never done a heist film, which is a roller coaster ride, thriller, surprise after surprise. So I was looking to do something like that, and luckily I had a chance to do it with an amazing team. But for me, what was really exciting was the part. You know, I get a chance to play a tough, ruthless cop. Usually I'm always cast as the mediator, the peacemaker, the poet, the philosopher. And I mean, in usual circumstances, if I was cast in this film, I would probably be putting all of you all on the table and saying, let's just sort this out. Let's just divide the red sun and move on. You know, that's the kind of parts I get. But here, you know, I get a chance to not be the peacemaker. I get a chance to have a gun, a badge, and slam a few people around. And that was great fun for me.